To use fingerprint as your screen lock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap screen lock type. If currently you are using a secure screen lock type, do your screen lock. As the example, this phone is using pattern as the current screen lock. So we have to throw the button in order we can change the screen lock type to another. Tap fingerprints. A text contains with some explanation about fingerprint will appear. If needed, you can read it first to understand it better. Tap continue to continue the process. Here you can see some information on how to do to get the best scan when registering your fingerprints. Tap register to continue registering your fingerprint. Now press with the pad of your finger you like to register inside the circle. Then leave it when the circle is fully highlighted. Repeat the process until you reach 100%. If you like to register another fingerprint, tap add and then follow the on-screen instruction. If not, tap done button. Here some options relate with fingerprint unlock will be displayed. As you can see, you can enable or disable fingerprint always on option. When this option is on, you can do fingerprint scanning even when the screen is off. You can also set on how your phone display the fingerprint scanner icon when the screen is off. Like you can set your phone to always show the icon. Show the icon when you tap the screen or hide the icon. The last option, you can enable or disable show animation when unlocking option. When this option is enabled, your phone will play water ripple effect around the fingerprint scanner when you are unlocking your phone with your fingerprints. To save your setting, tap done button. Now turn off the screen. Since the fingerprint always on option in this phone is on, without turning on the screen, place the finger that you have registered before on the fingerprint scanner to unlock your phone. As a note, you can use fingerprint as an alternative and more comfortable way to unlock your phone while you are using a secure screen lock type such as PIN, password, or pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.